Hey everybody, I'm in San Antonio, Texas right now. I'm driving to Johnson City to Pedernales Falls State Park. It's about an hour and a half to 2 hour drive for me. The reason I have the camera pointing out the window instead of at my face is because it's a little too dark here in the car. So I thought I'd just show you some footage driving through San Antonio, and I've never been here before. Meeting a group of other photographers from a club I belong to here locally. That'll be the first time I've ever done that as well. So looking forward to it. It's a sticky, muggy morning, which I do not like. But that's the norm for down here in South Texas, it seems like. So anyway, stick around. We'll see what we get. Alrighty everyone, I'm inside the park now. I got my new annual Texas State Park Pass for $70. My other one expired last month, so it was a good time to get it. Hopefully I'll get it, put it to some good use this year. There was a bunch of butterflies up there at the office. Some plant there with a bunch of flowers on it. Tons of butterflies just hovering all over it. Beautiful, beautiful. It's cloudy. The sun's peeping in and out every once in a while. So we'll see what it looks like when we get down here. Stick around. Hey everybody, I'm over here at the first little lookout point here. You can see Pedernales Falls. Yeah, it's not like big waterfalls, it's just over the rocks there. You can see it. It's pretty nice. Only me and two other people from the group are here, and one other photographer down there, not from our group. So it's not a whole lot of people to shoot around, so which is good. So I'm gonna head down a little closer.
The slow day, the calm, and the night will unfold. I never thought that I would be traveling this road. And people keeps missing, the clouds seem to fade. And every occasion I whisper your name. I'm happy to hear that you'll still be around. I thought you were leaving without a sound. In my little world, you are both pros and cons.
Well, I know I'm at the Pedernales Falls, but as always, a lone tree catches my attention. So I got a shot of it. We'll see how well it came out. There's only 5 of us out here right now. 2 down there. One there, one over here, and me.
I'll be right by your side with arms, even if you don't want. You wrote your name in my heart. You're out where you're laughing, the curls in your hair. I wish that I could tell you how much I really care. Your harmless desire, the tip of your tongue, all of your bruises and all of your fun. Tell me, are you still in here? As beautiful as you are, you just don't know by far. In this world I'll be right by your side with arms, even if you don't want. You wrote your name in my heart. In this world I'll be right by your side with arms, even if you don't want. You wrote your name